What's up, guys? Nathan Waitinas at Thayer Honda here, bringing you a tip on what to do when this key fob battery goes dead. So this one is dead, but we can still start the car. Let's take a look at how we do this and then how we change the battery. All right, so when the battery goes dead on your car, you can still start it. Obviously, you know that there's a key built in. You can easily still get into the car. However, if you want to start the car, you simply take your key fob, foot on the brake, and you press it right up against the engine start stop button, and the car will start itself. It sends a signal right to your key fob here, which then starts the car. All right, guys, so it's real easy to change this key fob battery. All you need is a CR2032 3-volt battery. Easy to find in stores. You can also pick them up here at the parts department at Thayer Honda. So you just simply slide this open, and you'll take your key and you just gently wedge it right in the middle there. Promise you're not going to break it. Just be real careful. Give it a nice twist. And pro tip, always be facing the Honda symbol up, or else all of these buttons are going to fall out. So now that you've got it open like that, just go ahead and pop it open right there. And there's your battery, easy to replace. Now there's no tools required. Some people use a screwdriver. I think it's easy enough just to use the end of your key here. You'll just gently place it underneath of the battery, give it a slight twist and a push, and out pops the old battery. And here's your new one. Easy enough. Set that down. And you just want to line this one up just right. Okay, looks good. And you just close it up, just like that. Easy enough, guys. Now we'll make sure this thing works. And you see the little light up right there, so you know it's working. All right, let's make sure it works. So we'll do the remote start as well here. So click that, press and hold, and you'll see that light up. I love that remote start. You can see that it's working even from a distance. You'll see it blink 3 times and rest, and then 3 more blinks, and so you know it's good to go. All right, just like that, super easy. I'm going to head back inside because it's getting cold out here. If you guys need any more tips on your new Hondas, used Hondas, anything that I can help you out with, please give me a shout here at the dealership at 419-354-2222. Ask for Nathan when you call in. Happy Honda Days to y'all. Have a great week. See you guys.